Hi, good morning. This is Gilbert Wang in charge of your market, and today I'm gonna show you how to install the OPTIZEN Alpha at the first of all. When you get the box, you have to open the box like this. Then there is equipment, and you can take this off very carefully, and then find out some table or some spot that is stable. And then on the back side of the equipment there is a power cable, so you have to connect that power cable first of all. And then there is a power switch. This is the first power switch, and there is another one. When you touch the when you touch the second power switch, then it will be working very properly. And there is a small Android door on the screen. You have to wait for about 3 or 4 minutes only. You can see the logo for Android. The voice guide is arranged by Korean language because this is Korea. But when you prepare the export, then we will arrange the language as English. And as you see, the self-test is on processing. If you have any problem or any error messages during the self-test, then you have to contact us just right away so that we can give you some solutions right as soon as possible. The usual problem can be caused by deuterium lamp. Then there will be an error message like D2 low light or D2 wave warning or D2 lamp not good, something like that. You can just report us, as you can see. But right now, all the things are looks very good. It means that the equipment is perfect and it is ready to work. And the blue button is for login, and the another one is for the guest mode. So at the beginning of the using for the equipment, the customer might not register their email address on the equipment. So I suggest you to start from the guest mode.